This is a 2011 5.7 RT Challenger that I did a Hellcat conversion to.
Mopar Mobility.
Hey, so what's up, gang? This your boy Mopar Nobility. I got a great surprise for you right now. So I know a lot of people been asking. I got a 5.7. I want to upgrade. Should I get a Whipple? Should I get a Vortex, a Pro Charger, or should I get a Hellcat blower on there? So today I got a great surprise for you. So all right, so yeah, we got a 5.7, nice rims. Do a quick little walk around. You got any social media? All right, this is nice, man. I ain't gonna put the tag on it. Got an RT, got a nice little surprise. Check those rims out. You ever seen those? What are those power stops? The brake rotors.
Oh yeah, my name's Skeeter. Live up here in North Georgia. This is a 2011 5.7 RT Challenger that I did a Hellcat conversion to.
Nice, nice.
So, bought the car, blown motor with a 5.7. Got the car to me. Realized I had to do a whole engine swap. So I went back with the stock 5.7, drove it. Wasn't really my oomph that I was looking for. So I went ahead and did some research, found out that I could do a Hellcat conversion on the Supercharger install, and did.
Oh man, wow. All right, so where did you buy the blower from?
I got it from a local Mopar shop.
Okay, nice.
They had it for sale on the internet, picked it up, started accumulating all the different parts you need: valve covers, adapter plates, pulley kits. Everything took a little while to get together. Then you got to deal with the map sensors, injection system, and then your adapting of your harnesses, because not everything's just plug and play.
Right, right.
So after everything was said and done, I'm in the whole car for less than most people pay for the car.
Gotcha.
Even with that, I turn wrenches so I can do these things in spare time.
Gotcha. So what about the tune? Who did the tune for you?
Actually, it is a Diablo tuner.
Okay.
They have a hidden tune inside their stuff for the advanced tunes for a ram air intake, which I had on the car initially, but would not fit with the Supercharger, so I had to pull it off. But once I did that, I changed my injectors. The car runs like a dream.
Wow. So any pros or cons? Anything that anybody needs to know that's trying to do this build?
Do your research. It's not as quick and easy. They leave a lot of things out, like what type of injectors to use, because you can't just throw the Hellcat injectors on it. It kills it. It's too much fuel. The harnesses on 2011 up to 2012, you got to get an adapter for the throttle body. So the factory original plugs in, and you got to have an adapter for it. Because you got a 6-plug stack versus 6-plug long.
All right, and is this a RT throttle body or a Hellcat throttle body?
It's a Hellcat throttle body.
Okay.
RT's too small.
Yeah, yeah. And what CC injectors you went with? You know? Stock. Oh wow. Okay.
Stock injectors.
All right. Man, that's awesome. 93 octane.
93 octane.
Did you have to upgrade the fuel pump or anything?
Nope.
That is nice. You want to tell us what you get into the rear wheel? You don't have to now. It's traced.
Good question.
All right.
Should be somewhere between 550, 600. I
Gotcha.
have not actually stuck it on a dyno to give a true number.
Okay. Nice, nice. Well, yeah, man, I appreciate you talking about it. This is some awesome footage and awesome information there. And there you have it.